guys, welcome to part 2 of the Datsun brake install. In this video, I'm going to cover how I installed the brakes. I didn't get as many clips as I wanted to, but step by step on how to install the brakes. But I will try to do a voiceover, and mine is also kind of windy right now, and I don't really have a microphone, so bear with me because there's going to be a lot of noises. But I'm going to show you guys what I did for the brakes and how you can do the same if you have a Datsun 521 or maybe a similar vehicle. I don't know, 510. Pretty sure they're very different though. But let's get to the truck. Let's go. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I already have the brakes installed. They're in there. You can see Wildwood. Only downside that I had with these brakes were that one of the holes, I can't really show you now, but one of the holes where you screw in the bolt from the back was too small, so we had to open up the hole on the caliper itself. So this was Wildwood's fault, right? That was I guess a manufacturer's defect, but we had to drill out the hole to make it a little better so we can put in the bolt from the inside out so we could attach it to the aluminum bracket that came in with the kit. So the first thing that you do, if I can show you here, okay, so here's the aluminum bracket that holds the entire assembly together. These are the disc brakes that basically go on to, or these are what goes basically at the top of everything. And these are the calipers that I was mentioning earlier. Had a factory defect, or were defective from factory, meaning that both of these holes right here, which the screws go into to hold on to the bracket, the aluminum bracket itself, were smaller than they were supposed to be. So we had to drill them out so we could actually fit these bolts in, otherwise it would be utterly useless. And then we also have this brake line right here, which goes from the back of the caliper, runs all the way down, and connects back to the original connection center back there. To give you a better understanding, here's an oversimplification of the installation process. First, you have your adapter plate, which is bolted on directly to the hub with 4 bolts. Now that you have the plate in place, you take your disc brake and place it over the plate and use lug nuts to hold it in place temporarily. You finally take the caliper and slide it over the disc brakes. You take the 2 bolts included and then bolt on the caliper. This is a rather simplified process of how to install them, but it's a general idea of what is done. Now, if you guys have any questions or suggestions, let me know in the comments. I try my best to get to each and every one of you, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you guys next time.